Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the special law Batas Pambansa bilang 880. Batas Pambansa bilang 880. Batas Pambansa bilang 880 is known as the Public Assembly Act of 1985. It was approved into law in October 22, 1985 and took effect on the same date. The constitutional right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances is essential and vital to the strength and stability of the state. To this end, the state shall ensure the free exercise of such right without prejudice to the rights of others to life, liberty, and equal protection of the law. Ang batas na ito ay pinapatupad ang karapatan ng tao na magtipon at ipahayag ang nais sa pamahalaan. Ano nga ba ang tiyak na laman ng batas na ito? Una, yung permit to organize and hold a public assembly, kailan required at kailan hindi. Pangalawa, mga requirements sa pag-apply ng permit. Pangatlo, sino ang nagbibigay, kailan pinagkakaloob at hindi pinagkakaloob. Pang-apat, tungkulin ng aplikante. Let us discuss each. Permit when required and when not required. A written permit shall be required for any person or persons to organize and hold a public assembly in a public place. Kailangan po ng permit kung ang assembly ay gagawin sa public place. Exceptions. First, if the public assembly shall be done or made in a freedom park duly established by law or ordinance. Ang Freedom Park sa Baguio ay Sunshine Park, katabi ng UP Baguio. Sa ibang lugar, hindi ko na po alam. Pag sa Freedom Park kayo nag-assembly, no need for permit. Second, in private property, in which case, only the consent of the owner or the one entitled to its legal possession is required. Kailangan po ng consent ng may-ari. Third, in the campus of a government-owned and operated educational institution. If the public assembly is to be held in this place, they are subject to the rules and regulation of said educational institution. Sa lahat po ng karapatan natin ay may limitasyon. Next topic, application requirements. First, the application shall be in writing and shall include the names of the leaders or organizers, the purpose of such public assembly, the date, time, and duration thereof, and place or streets to be used for the intended activity, and the probable number of persons participating, the transport and the public address systems to be used. Dapat po yung application is in writing, tapos sa letter nakalagay po yung mga nabanggit. Second, the application shall incorporate the duty and responsibility of applicant. Sa application, dapat nakalagay yung duty and responsibility ng aplikante. I-discuss natin mamaya yung mga responsibilities niya. Third, the application shall be filed with the office of the mayor of the city or municipality in whose jurisdiction the intended activity is to be held, at least 5 working days before the scheduled public assembly. Ifa-file po ito sa office of the city or municipal mayor kung saan gaganapin ang pagpupulong. Halimbawa, sa Baguio, gusto nyo mag-assembly sa Burnham Park. Kailangan nyo pong mag-apply ng permit sa office of the city mayor ng Baguio at hindi sa ibang city or municipality like La Trinidad, kahit malapit lang po yan. Ang pag-a-apply ay dapat 5 working days before yung araw ng pagpupulong. Ang sabi dito, working days. So, hindi kasama ang Saturday at Sunday sa pagbibilang kasi walang trabaho sa government ng Saturday and Sunday. Kunyari, Thursday gaganapin, dapat Thursday before that week nakapag-apply ka na. Fourth, Upon receipt of the application, which must be duly acknowledged in writing, the office of the city or municipal mayor shall cause the same to immediately be posted at a conspicuous place in the city or municipal building. By posting po para aware yung iba. Next topic, action to be taken on the application. It shall be the duty of the mayor or any official acting in his behalf to issue or grant a permit. So mayor po ang nag-grant. The mayor or any official acting in his behalf shall act on the application within 2 working days from the date the application was filed. Balikan natin yung example natin kanina. Kung Thursday siya nag-file, dapat may action na si mayor ng Friday or Monday next week. Failing which, the permit shall be deemed granted. Pag walang action si mayor ng 2 araw, granted na po yung application. If the mayor is of the view that there is imminent and grave danger of a substantive evil warranting the denial or modification of the permit, he shall immediately inform the applicant who must be heard on the matter. Kung may ground si mayor na i-deny, hindi niya po i-deny kaagad. Mabibigyan ng pagkakataong mag-explain o mapakinggan si aplikante. The action on the permit shall be in writing and serve on the application within 24 hours. Kung Monday na grant na niya, dapat na-serve na to hanggang Tuesday. If the mayor or any official acting in his behalf denies the application or modifies the terms thereof in his permit, the applicant may contest the decision in an appropriate court of law. Despite na pinakinggan ka, dininay pa rin, pwede mong labanan yung decision na yon sa korte. Next topic, responsibility of the applicant. It shall be the duty and responsibility of the leaders and organizers of a public assembly to take all reasonable measures and steps to the end that the intended public assembly shall be conducted peacefully in accordance with the terms of the permit. This shall include but not limited to the following. First, to inform the participants of their responsibility under the permit. Second, to police the ranks of the demonstrators in order to prevent non-demonstrators from disrupting the lawful activities of the public assembly. Third, to confer with local government officials concerned and law enforcers to the end that the public assembly may be held peacefully. Fourth, to see to it that the public assembly undertaken shall not go beyond the time stated in the permit. And fifth, to take positive steps that demonstrators do not molest any person or do any act unduly interfering with the rights of other persons not participating in the public assembly. Basically, the responsibility of the applicant is to make the assembly peaceful. Peaceful in the sense na wala kayong naagrabyado at sumusunod kayo sa nakalagay sa permit, like the time, day, and place. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.